America is one of the largest economy in the world. American economy sizes which is 24 trillion economy. The second largest economy which is China which is 14 trillion economy. Japan which is 5 trillion economy. India is a 3 trillion economy. If you look at the competitors, America is very far away from the competitors. America, which is going to be one of the fastest growing economy in the world in the future also, and it will continue to grow in the future. So along with that, America is known for technology and innovation. The innovation which will happen in the USA, which is crazy. America is known for some of the finest companies in the world, but it's been more than 2 years now. So American economy is in the face of slowdown and recession. So as we know that there is a hyperinflation in US. To reduce the hyperinflation, American Reserve Bank, which is Federal Bank of India, they are planning to increase the interest rate in multiple time, which has impacting the market. So that's why American market, which is Nasdaq, which is corrected from 15,000 to 10,500, which is 30% of discount. Friends, whenever market corrects, many retail investors, they will think that it is end for the world. Friends, not like that. Whenever market corrects, it will recover, it will reward for the long-term investors. So if you look at the American market, so over the last 25 years, there have been a majorly three correction. The first one is during the 2000, there was a dot-com bubble wherein US market corrects, which is 70%. It recovered and rewarded for long-term investors. The second correction was during the 2008, there was an economic recession across the world wherein US market corrects 60%, which is recovered and rewarded for long-term investors. The third correction was during the COVID pandemic wherein US market, which is Nasdaq, which is corrected 30%, it recovered and rewarded for long-term investors. Currently, as we know that there is a hyperinflation in US, because of that American market which is getting correction. But in the future, things will normalize. Definitely, it will recover and reward for long-term investors. Friends, this correction, which has created a good investment opportunity, many quality stocks which are trading in a discounted price. Friends, today I am going to discuss about 5 quality stocks. You can buy that stock in a systematic manner so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. Let's get started. Friends, have you ever heard about FAANG stocks? What do you mean by FAANG stocks? FAANG is an acronym which will represent the American four companies. During the 2010 and 13, these companies were doing crazy things. They were growing very faster. So that's why this acronym was given to these four companies. The F stands for Facebook, A stands for Amazon, N stands for Netflix, G stands for Google. So it was given in 2013. So later Apple was growing very faster. During the 2017, Apple has been added to this acronym. So along with that, in the same time, Microsoft was also doing very good. They were also growing very faster, but they haven't added to this group because this doesn't suit. Friends, these FANG stocks, they are having 30% of weightage in US index, which is Nasdaq. Over the last 10-15 years, these FANG stocks have been a biggest wealth creator. These stocks, they are continue to innovate, they are continue to grow, they are continue to expand their business. That's the reason it is good to buy them in a systematic manner during the correction. Friends, if you look at the Facebook, which is one of the largest social media platform in the world, so there is an active 3 billion users all over the world. If you look at the Amazon, which is one of the largest e-commerce company all over the world, so how they have disrupted the retail industry across the world. If you look at the Apple, which is one of the largest mobile phone selling company in the world, the craze for iPhone, which is increasing year on year. If you look at the Netflix, which is video streaming company wherein you can watch movie, TV shows and etc. If you look at the Google, which is one of the largest search engine in the world, friends, so these companies, they will continue to grow in the future also. Friends, do you think these companies will close tomorrow? These will shut down tomorrow? Friends, not at all possible, because these companies are continue to innovate in the future. Friends, it can be any business or it can be anything. If you don't innovate and if you don't update yourself, you will be out of the game. So that's why these companies, they are continue to innovate, they are continue to grow in the future. Friends, these companies are not only present in the USA, they are present across the globe. They are having very strong leadership in their domain. Facebook, which is currently trading at 185, which is 50% discount from its lifetime high. Amazon, which is trading at 95, which is 40% discount from its lifetime high. Apple, which is trading at 150, which is 15% discount from its lifetime high. Netflix, which is trading at 300, which is 50% discount from its lifetime high. Google, which is trading at 90, which is 40% discount from its lifetime high. Friends, whenever market rises, we will become greedy and we will start investing. Whenever market corrects, we will panic and we will sell our portfolio. Friends, that is not the right approach. If you do like that, you cannot create wealth in the future. Friends, in the stock market, corrections are temporary, but growth is the ultimate. Market will definitely grow. Definitely, it will reward for long-term investors. Friends, if you buy quality stocks in a systematic manner so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. Friends, in this video, we discussed about American stock market. We discussed about FAANG stock. The FAANG stocks, which is Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google, and Netflix. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and thank you. Thank you so much.